Hey, what's going on, board runners? Welcome back to the channel. We've got some game-changing news that you won't want to miss. There's a storm brewing in the crypto world, but amidst the chaos, there's a beacon of hope shining brighter than ever. Ripple Labs and XRP have emerged victorious in their legal battles this year, paving the way for a new era of regulatory clarity and adoption. But that's not all. The future of real-world asset tokenization, or RWA, is looking brighter than a supernova, with projections indicating that $1 trillion market by 2030. This isn't just about one coin or one company, it's about reshaping the financial landscape as we know it. And here's why you need to pay attention right now. Ripple's victory could signal a shift in how cryptocurrencies are viewed by regulators worldwide, potentially opening floodgates for institutional money. And with real-world asset tokenization, we're talking about traditional assets like real estate and art becoming as easily tradable as Bitcoin. The time to get in is now before the big players fully capitalize on this shift. We're at the cusp of something monumental, and if you miss this wave, you might be looking back years from now regretting it. But here's the kicker. This isn't something that's going to be happening in the distant future. We're talking about something that's happening right now. Every day, more institutions are jumping on board, and if you're not part of this movement, you're missing out on what could be the next big wave in finance. And stick with me till the end, because I'm going to show you a sneak peek at our new crypto community platform called Altcoin Pro. And this is designed to keep you ahead of the curve with real-time insights, expert analysis, and direct access to our community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts. So if you're feeling bullish about this current bull run, let me know by commenting 777 down below. And if you're going to be the first millionaire in your family tree, confirm that by smashing subscribe. All right, before we jump over into the XRP information, we're going to talk about this real-world tokenization poised for $1 trillion growth leading into 2030. And as you've been following along with our channel, if you're a subscriber or you're new here, we talk a lot about real-world assets and where this is going for the future. You can only imagine if everything was tokenized. That is what we're talking about here. The real-world asset tokenization sector has only seen a significant redemption thanks to its promise of bringing traditional finance on-chain to create more liquidity and accessibility for investment products. Real-world asset tokenization refers to the financial and other tangible assets minted on the immutable blockchain ledger, increasing investor accessibility and trading opportunities around these assets. And this segment of investing is so big that BlackRock has launched their own institutional digital liquidity fund, BUIDL. As we can see right here, Edwin Mata, co-founder and CEO of Bricken, mentioned BlackRock's launch of BULLRUNNERS on Ethereum was a defining moment, demonstrating how blockchain could deliver real, tangible value to the financial world. It was more than a technological experiment. It restored credibility and trust in the blockchain ecosystem. BlackRock's tokenized treasury fund surpassed $500 million market cap as the first such fund to reach this milestone in July of 2024. BlackRock's BULLRUNNERS surpassed the Franklin's on-chain U.S. government money fund, Benji, as the world's largest tokenized treasury fund in late April, less than 6 weeks after its launch on March 15th. BULLRUNNERS has held the top position ever since. BULLRUNNERS' price is pegged 1-to-1 with the US dollar and pays daily accrued dividends directly to investors each month through its partnership with real-world asset tokenization platform Securities. And if you've heard that Securities name before, it's because they are also partnered up with XRP and XRP Ledger. The tokenized fund brought more transparency, liquidity, and accessibility already to trusted financial products, added Mata. He says the crypto industry has faced criticism for its speculative nature and lack of integration with traditional financial systems. BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, proved that blockchain could enhance, not replace, traditional finance. In other notable developments in the real-world asset sector, Tezos has launched the world's first uranium marketplace on the blockchain, enabling retail investors access to tokenized uranium for the first time in history. Moreover, real-world assets are unlocking new investor opportunities in the $700 billion reinsurance sector following the launch of NIAMS, a crypto-native reinsurance marketplace leveraging RWA tokenization to offer tokenized investors access to insurance risks. The RWA sector could see a more than 50-fold growth by 2030, according to the predictions from some of the largest financial institutions and business consulting firms compiled by Trend Finance Research Report. So here you have these major organizations and their bear or base price and their bull price here. McKinsey & Company, 21 & Co., Citibank, Roland Berger, BCG, Standard Chartered, ranging anywhere from 4 trillion to 30 trillion real-world asset value. If the sector achieves the median prediction of about 10 trillion, it would represent more than 54 times of its current value. 2024 marked a significant resurgence in the crypto industry in terms of valuations and mainstream trust. Ripple's legal victory and increasing interest in meme coins and real-world assets showcased the industry's growing legitimacy for retail participants and regulators worldwide. And as we take a look over here at CoinMarketCap, right now the market cap's currently sitting at 3.43 trillion, so basically sitting where it was yesterday. Fear and greed ticked up a little bit. Yesterday we were around the 50 mark. But what I wanted to show you is over here we got all crypto, NFTs, categories, token unlocks, rehypo, memes sold, AI, DeFi, gaming, DePIN, and RWA. It is its own sector. It's gotten so big and so realistic, it has its own sector. So let's take a look. What are some of the top coins on the real world asset? We have Avalanche currently number one with a $16 billion market cap, Chainlink at $15 billion. Hedera HBAR has absolutely been smoking this year, absolutely climbing like crazy. In fact, if we take a look at this sector of real-world assets by trading volume, we're going to see that HBAR is leading the way significantly. Then we have VeChain, Mantra, Ondo, Usual USD, Quant, Maker, XDC Network, IOTA, Reserve Rights, Synthetics, and on and on and on. So really important sector to keep your eye on moving forward. And we can also see the most visited in the real-world asset category here, HBAR, Link, AVAX, VET, and Ondo. Next up, we're talking about Ripple Labs, an XRP token emerging victorious in 2024. So despite this 4-year-plus regulatory battle, Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission XRP token have proved its resilience amid a robust community of holders. During the past year, the XRP token rose over 251%, more than double that of Bitcoin, which was up 117%. According to Cointelegraph data, this makes XRP the second best performer in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by Crypto Bubble's data. Also, we see here XRP and BTC 1-year chart, source Cointelegraph. We see Bitcoin up 118% in 2024, while XRP up 265%. Beyond XRP's token financial returns, Ripple Labs also saw a significant redemption arc during the past year, according to Alvin Khan, Chief Operating Officer at BitGet Wallet. Alvin said, in 2024, Ripple and XRP stands out as a significant redemption arc in the crypto space. After navigating legal challenges, Ripple has solidified its position in cross-border payments, partnering with over 300 financial institutions and achieving a market cap exceeding $30 billion. Ripple scored a significant legal victory in July of 2023 when a federal judge ruled that XRP was not a security regarding programmatic sales on digital asset exchanges. This marked a significant win for Ripple, and the SEC lawsuit sought to compel Ripple to stop offering its XRP token under the premise that it was a security and thus required additional regulation. However, the SEC also managed to notch a victory of its own, as the federal judge has ruled that XRP is a security when sold to institutional investors, as it met the conditions set in the Howey test. The SEC filed this lawsuit against Ripple in December of 2020. In August 2024, a judge found the company liable for a $125 million civil penalty. The commission appealed to ruling, and Ripple filed a cross appeal, leaving the civil case an ongoing matter at the time of publication. On October 16th, the SEC filed a Form C civil appeal, asking the court to review its decision regarding Ripple's XRP sales on exchanges and personal XRP sales by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen. Trump's upcoming inauguration, along with the choice for SEC Chair Paul Atkins, have reignited investors' hopes that SEC may drop its legal case against Ripple Labs amid more innovative, friendly crypto regulations.
Hey, bull runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin in this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and it's currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th, 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University through the link below. And although we make no guarantees because crypto is definitely risky, guys, this is only $97 a month or $970 a year. If you want to save $194, getting 2 months for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. But I'm not going to talk all about that in this video because we have a lot to cover. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers, because we have a lot to cover with you over the next few minutes in this video to help you become the first millionaire in your family tree. If that's a goal of yours, our goal is to help 1,000 members set their portfolio up for life this month. And you can get started through the link in the description below right now, or you can go to bullrunners.com to take advantage of the bonuses we're giving you before they expire. We have about 200 members right now, and we literally just launched like less than 5 days ago at the time of making this video. Everyone is loving the community. They're loving the education. They're getting access to real-time altcoin picks first before we ever make videos about them. So click the link in the description below, watch the video, and I'll see you on the inside.